part is to configure the machine to use names instead of IPs. Okay, I will log in with root user. Okay, I will add here the IPs. So 57. Okay. I used shortcut in VI. This is the editor. I used Y to copy, to yank data into memory, and P for paste, to duplicate 0.
Right.
Okay.
Should be 59, no? Last one.
58, yes, 59.
From here also.
Yes. Okay. Okay. We'll repeat this on other machines also. I will connect to 58 suit. Okay. Hosts. Remember that etc hosts, if it has an issue, system might not start.
You might not.
Okay. So copy paste, shift, insert, paste, control insert. It's like Linux usually do. Selecting any text in Linux mean it will yank it to memory by default. Okay. For example, if I click like this, select it like this, خلاص, it's already in memory.
Right.
Okay. This is to save time for people. Okay, now any machine can connect to the other machines using server name. Okay. Second thing, we'll configure something called mutual authentication, which is connecting to other machine without asking for username and password. For example, if I want now to connect to machine 57, SSH, S57, it will ask me for password. First time, it will take signature of the machine, fingerprint, okay, and store it. Then it will ask me for root password. Okay, if I want to connect to server 57 without any password,
but it is showing you S004, the host name.
It shouldn't. It shouldn't.
Right or
How
not?
is that? Yes. Host name. Let's check. It's 57. Host name CTM. Set. Host name 57. Left. Okay. Access denied. Let's check. Okay. I'm currently looking for any manual set for IPs because it shouldn't take like that. Okay. No. This is it's 57 now. It reads as 57. Maybe it was caching. Maybe. Because I checked here. It was showing 004, the old name for machine. Okay. To configure server connectivity, we need to create first of all a key for each server, which will be used instead of password. To create that, there is a command called SSH key generator. Key generator. Okay. Now this machine 57 has its own key. Okay. I return to 59 and type the same command SSH key generator. SSH S0 58. السلام عليكم. ازيك يا دكتور؟ ازي حضرتك؟ الحمد لله. اوكي. Keygen. Actually, the question it asked if I want to secure this key with a password, to encrypt it with a password. However, for our testing purposes, I will use the key without any encryption. Okay.
Without encryption.
Yes, it's already encrypted. However, if I use the password, if I use the passphrase, it will ask me for a password when I use the key.
So what is the benefit of this key?
It will create a secure link between all servers. For example, when I put this key into other servers, for example, now I will disconnect from 58. Okay, I will return to 57 here. Okay, I will create command, I will issue command copy ID. Okay, I will copy the key from this server. Okay, which is 57. I will log out. I will log in again. Okay, to make sure this is the correct name. SSH copy ID. Okay, -I. I will tell him the location of the key. Okay. This is the key. Usually, RSA keys consist of two keys. One public, I give it to other entities, and one private, I keep it to myself. Okay, I will copy the public key to S58. Okay, so I'm connecting from 57 to
To other
58.
topic.
Yes. Okay, it will copy this to it. Just asking for password first time because key is not there. Okay, done. 58. When I type SSH S58, it will connect without asking for password.
Any concern?
خلاص. It will create trust between all machines.
All machines, no. No, we started with
Okay.
58 only, not copied all.
I will copy to 59. Yes, repeat same. Okay. Even to 57 itself. Okay. I will do it with Oracle also. Okay. Okay, we didn't install copy IT -I, which will allow me to identify the location of the key. $57.
One, this only question,
Yes.
Brother Nasa.
Yes.
You put this tilde, where is tilde sign? This is mean home, inside the home
Yes.
directory. This is, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Each user has its own key. Currently, I am making trust using root. So root can access all machine. I repeat the same issue, the same commands with Oracle user. Okay. Integration takes time. However, now actually to save time we can use a command. If I type SSH server name then command, it will execute this command on the targeted server. This is the server date of server S57. Okay, I can use this command like this to validate trust between all machines. Okay, you see there is a different dates and time between different time between machines. We need to think that because also synchronizing time. Okay, different time will create an issue in WebLogic server. In Oracle Fusion middleware, when it sends a command, it monitors the time of execution and the time of response. If there is a big gap between two machines, it will create confuse the WebLogic and make it hang.
Should
For
be the
certain.
same now.
It should be have the same time range, just seconds difference. However, it's a difference in hours. 4 hours? 4 hours. Okay. If we copy this command here, I didn't finish trust on server 59. If I execute it like that, it will ask for password. for any machine, and this machine it's first time to connect to 58, so it will ask for even to store the fingerprint of this machine. Ask it 3 times for password because it's trying to connect to 3 servers. When I execute our command, now when I call dates, it will execute it without any hesitation. Also, we can set the date like this. Okay, much easier. When I create trust, I can execute command on all machines within single console. Okay. So it doesn't have any. Okay. 58 has the database. Okay.